You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for Eisha Taylore. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Eisha Taylore. Today's video is going to be, it's long overdue. It's the Donna's Recipe new products. The, whipped vanilla cream products. I have the curl enhancing gel, the curl defining mousse, and y'all know I got the edge control. Since y'all love my edge control videos, I have to get that. So now, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, first and foremost. But if you're new here, you obviously don't know how chaotic my reviews can get, especially when I'm trying 2 different products. I like to try things as much as I can. So that being said, I'm gonna split my hair down the middle. But we're gonna do wash and go with just the mousse on one section of my hair, wash and go with just the gel. Then we're going to combine them together because we need to see how they work together. And then we'll do to use the hair cream, which I just got a new one of because I'm about to finish the other one. So I'm going to put some hair cream mousse, hair cream gel for a twist out. Are you with me? So first off, they're both saying that it gives a soft to medium hold, and that makes me nervous. So I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner. I have a review on her original sweet potato line. I'll leave it in the cards for you to check out. So I'm gonna put this leave-in conditioner on first, just so my hair can remain moisturized while I do a wash and go on the other sections. Oh, this is the hair cream. Literally almost done. I think I'm gonna do the mousse on the back section of my hair for the wash and go. There's nothing much you can say about styling products because you just need to see how they work. So I'm not really gonna be saying much. I do like how much you get for the price, 8.5 fluid ounce. Wow, it does smell like whipped vanilla cream. Wow, that smells delightful. Okay, so off the bat, I used way too much. So we're gonna dial that back. It's not sticky. I hate a sticky mousse. Okay, yeah, a little bit goes a long way. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's do 1 pump. 1 whole pump gives you that. I might even still be too much. Yep, because it just fell to the floor. I'm not really sure what to expect here. It just feels very light and airy. And in one hand, that makes me nervous because it's like, what hold am I gonna get? It's not sticky. It doesn't even feel like anything's really on my hair. So again, that can be a good thing. And it also can be a bad thing. Since we're doing a combination of mousse and gel on the back section, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the mousse now, just so it's easier. So, all right, so far this side looks really good. And do the gel. So it says apply to clean wet hair section by section, add water as needed, finger pull or plop hair. So soft to medium hold again. Here's the, ooh, this is a watery girl. Can you guys see? I'm not even pressing it and it's just coming out. Okay. All right, upon applying it to my hair, it actually feels really hydrating, but she ain't really clumping anything. Hold on. And for the record, I did not watch any reviews on these products, so I don't know what people are saying. I wanted to form my own opinion. I just added more water, just in case it needed more water. More water definitely helped. I'm just gonna shingle a little bit. We all know the front of my hair has damage. We know this. So I'm kind of gonna help it a little bit. It's giving, the texture is definitely thicker than a botanical gel. So like thicker than Uncle Funky's Daughter or Camille Rose gel. It's definitely thicker than that. Oh my God, it's just gliding through my hair. It's not sticky. It is not a sticky gel at all. So yeah, it's definitely not gonna give a super crunchy hold because I can tell it's not really laying down my roots like a typical heavier gel would. This is just mousse right here. We're gonna go ahead and add some gel on top. Again, I didn't watch any videos, so I don't know if people combined it, but I'm going to. I have been loving a gel on top of a mousse. It's giving me some elongation. I will say that so far, like, these products are really hydrating. Remember, I have the leave-in conditioner and the cream on my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and do a twist out. We'll do mousse on this section and then gel on this section. All right, I let my hair dry. As I take out these twists, let's talk about the other sections that you can clearly see if you want to be reminded. This back section, which at this point is all merging together, but this very back section was the mousse only. The front section was gel only. This section was mousse and gel. And then the twist section was a split right here. Leave-in conditioner, cream. This was mousse, this was gel. The mousse only section is frizzy. Well, honestly, all of it's frizzy. None of it really has any hold. I usually will do a wear test and tell you at the end of the week how it looks, what I think about it. But at this point, this is not going to last at all for me. They both feel really dry, actually. I thought my hair would have been more hydrating than this, but it actually feels pretty dry. And it has no hold and no definition. Now, the section with, now I'm kind of merging it together. The section with mousse and gel feels a tad bit better, like a little bit more moisturizing, but it's still dry. And it has a little bit more definition, but it's not like, I'm like, okay, yeah, let me keep these products. No, it basically feels like the rest. Now, as I just unraveled the mousse section, let's do it one by one. This is what it looks like, the twist out, super dry. Doesn't feel hydrating, actually. So, okay, the section with the gel has a little definition, but no hold. So, I'm not shocked by this because it literally said on the packaging of both of these products that it would give a soft to medium hold. So, that's exactly what this is giving. And I already knew, like, that's not what I like from my products. So I'm not disappointed. It literally tells you. So it's not giving you any false advertisement. So far, the mousse and the gel will be returned because I don't see a need for it. It doesn't give me moisture, doesn't give me definition, doesn't give me shine, doesn't give me anything that I look for. So what am I keeping? The Donna's Recipe Edge Control. Let's also see the consistency is not like super sticky, but I want to see if this can help me put it in a bun. It's not really laying down. Let's add some more. Yeah, it's a very watery gel. Aloe, that's what the base, that's why the base is softer than typical, because it has aloe in it, which is super soft. It is 9:47 a.m. and it's soft. I'm sure if it will hold, but it feels moisturized, if I have to say. So we'll see. It's not hot today, so it's not like I can test it in like humidity, but we'll just see how it does. Checking in. It is 11:40, and this is what it looks like. It's definitely not laying down. I actually noticed it was lifting about 10 something, but I was in a work meeting, so I wasn't about to run over here and show y'all, but it didn't last. So what I will actually do, it says you can do it on damp hair. So let's try that. I usually do that. I usually test on both damp. Let's do these two damp, and then we will reapply on those dry. Honestly, this edge control didn't even make it an hour. It being damp is actually making it even more slippery. So I'm not really sure why they said damp. It smells so good though, I must say. These products smell good. Honestly, the wet ones just feels more hydrated. Not like it'll stay longer, but okay. It's 12:02. I mean, what? 12:09 p.m. And we will see. This one moved though. Whatever. I think you're already getting what I'm about to put down. Like that these products are more for if you like lighter holds of anything. Edge control, gel, mousse. If you just like a lighter hold, I think that will work for you. And just temperature check on my hair since it's the next day. My hair personally feels dry, but if anything, if I had to pick like the section definition I like the most, it would be the section with the mousse and the gel on top of the wash and go. That actually is the back section, and it looks pretty cute. But other than that, nah, we'll be returning this edge control because it's just not like doing enough for me, and it's not enough for me to keep it. Like if you are looking for an edge control and don't usually like a super crisp edge look, then I would say pick this up. Like it's definitely cute for that, but for me, I like my edges snatched. If I'm gonna do my edges, I need it to be snatched. I don't need something in between, you know? So yeah, if I come back, then something miraculous happened and this lasted, but I think I'll wrap up the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, if you haven't seen my other Donna's recipe videos, go ahead and check out that review. I'll leave it at the end card in a minute. And also, if you haven't seen my edge control playlists, check those out too. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.